You know, if the government at Westminster were wise, if they were wise, that's a oxymoron, a contradiction in terms, probably a wise Westminster government, then of course they would offer what they promised, and you might have a different political situation in Scotland. There's a Tory MP called Edward Leigh, who's the MP, Sir Edward Leigh. He's the MP for Gainsborough, and he's a passionate unionist politician. He's a right-wing Tory. He was a great advocate of Margaret Thatcher. But even people in that circumstance can sometimes come out with pearls of wisdom, and he's been making a series of speeches where he's saying, look, I don't know if he was there in the 1911 Parliament, but he keeps saying we're exactly where we were with Ireland in the run-up to the First World War, and here we are once again at Westminster offering too little, too late to a restless Celtic nation. It's very interesting that a right-wing Tory could have that perspective and see the reality of this niggardly offer to the people of Scotland after having this most extraordinary referendum experience. And as long as they keep doing that, it will keep driving the SNP support forward. And as long as the SNP support drives forward, then the likelihood of another referendum becomes very close.
Okay, a couple more.